Now, from Southwest Florida's news leader, this is Wink News at 5.
Well, we are surrounded by water here in Southwest Florida.
Whether it's canals or beaches, these homes could be in trouble if we get a storm and see flooding. The new push to keep the National Flood Insurance Program afloat right after the break.
It's your money, and if a storm strikes Southwest Florida, these homes along the water in Cape Coral could see severe flooding. Right now, they would be covered by the National Flood Insurance Program, but it could go away in 14 days. Right News reporter Brooke Schaefer uncovers how this would impact your pocketbook, all new at 5:30.
I couldn't sleep at night if I didn't have flood insurance.
Patricia Justice knows just how important it is to make sure her Cape Coral home is covered.
So I don't want a hurricane to come and wipe my house out.
But a looming deadline could make it harder for homeowners like her to get much-needed flood insurance. As it stands, the National Flood Insurance Program is set to expire at the end of the month. Bryce Grimsley is an insurance agent in Cape Coral. He says losing the federal flood insurance program would be a major issue for Southwest Florida and places like the Cape.
It'd be more of an issue for the older homes or houses right on the water.
Number one.
On Thursday, Senator Marco Rubio introduced a bill to reauthorize the program for 6 months, saying it's imperative Congress does not allow this program to lapse. But with recent monster storms like Hurricane Michael, experts like Grimsley say the federal program could be cashing out more than it can afford.
Because if they're suffering more losses, which is part of the problem with the flood program, they've had huge losses, not only in this area, but worse in other areas of the country.
Which could mean more money out of your pockets. In Cape Coral, Brooke Schaefer, Wink News Now.
Now, a lot of money from the National Flood Insurance Program goes to Florida. Policyholders in the Sunshine State collected more than $17 million between October 2015 and September 2016. That's the most recent year for the data that they have.